At the Montcalm Research Center, researchers are studying potato production in Michigan.
We predominantly look at field demonstration. We do a lot of testing of different products, but we also do a lot of field in-depth research looking at different nutrient management strategies and production strategies, because a lot of nutrient management deals with timing and application and right source of different fertilizers.
Steinke says their research is based on input from potato growers.
We're highly involved and we're in touch with potato growers in the state of Michigan. So we stay in touch, we stay into contact, and we listen to what problems they are dealing with. Once we hear what problems and what concerns potato growers here in the state have, we then take that and we write up a protocol or a trial to look at an in-depth research problem. From there, we take that piece of paper and we put a project out in the field. We take it to completion, to yield, and then we start looking at the results and trying to tease out any trends or significant differences that we may or may not see.
Potatoes are a high-end demand crop, grown on soils that do not retain a lot of nitrogen. Finding ways to maintain a constant supply of nitrogen without applying it throughout the season is important. Creating sustainable fertilizer practices are also important.
We're also looking at some more sustainable type of fertilizer practices, and what you see right here is a pure Michigan fertilizer product. It's a 432 organic fertilizer put out by Herbrooks Poultry Farm, and what it is, it's an organic fertilizer that is slow release in and of itself. Organic fertilizers release over a longer period of time, so what we're looking at is, can we put a product like this out on potato production that makes nitrogen available over a longer period of the growing season, and it's grown and produced right here in the state of Michigan. Another benefit of a product like this is we're looking at alternative benefits of some fertilizers in agricultural production systems. Soil health has become a very large issue, and what we want to look at is, do fertilizers have a positive or negative effect on soil health, specifically soil microbial activity? So what we're investigating with different products such as this organic product, soluble urea, or something like this polymer-coated urea, is what effect do these products have on soil respiration? Therefore, we can get a better read on how much microbial activity is in the soil, how active that soil is, and do we maintain a greater population of microbes, and does that equate into better soil health? Because the better soil health that we maintain, the more resilient that soil system becomes, and the better vegetative plant that we can grow.
Environmental stewardship is one of the main goals for Michigan potato growers.
They want to maintain or increase their bottom line with lowering the amount of inputs, because environmental stewardship, believe it or not, is still one of the primary concerns of Michigan potato growers. So we want to maintain and produce a viable potato crop by minimizing our environmental footprint on the landscape.
Michigan State University AgBioResearch, changing the face of science.